I'm at 1753 Shadowwood Lane. Next door, the house looks nice. Not bad. Next door there does have commercial here, and that's on-ramp and off-ramp to the highway right behind. But easy access to Atlantic Boulevard and to the highway from here. So we'll go inside. It's a metal roof that's a hodgepodge, unpermitted. We'll need to do the roof. He would like to have the metal back if we can. And I think we can just take the metal off and he'll reuse it on another house. That would be a nice thing to do. Brick looks to be in great shape. It's brick all around. You can see right over here where they extended onto the house. The brick color is slightly different. That was probably 30, 40 years ago. They added a little bit to the house, and we'll be able to see when we come in. But these floors are in great shape right here. Wood floors that have a lot of polyurethane on them. You come in, and right now the master is really set to be on the right here. So you come in, it's a hardwood floor there. And they've got an interesting bathroom set up. This is a kind of a 3/4 bath here because it's got a shower, toilet over here, and then the sink. But then there's also a half bath here that is behind the doorway to the master. And then you've got a little alcove that used to be a hallway, used to go down this way. And then I'm in a new part of the house right now. And you've got a decent sized closet here. So this could maybe be a closet as well, potentially, or a spot for a dresser and that kind of thing. So you got his and hers bathrooms right here. Then you've got a good size living room area and dining room here. And then we go into the kitchen. They put this pass-through here into the dining room a few years ago. You see in the kitchen that they've done a little bit of renovation over the last couple months. He was thinking about re-renting this, so they put some, looks like floor tile down on the countertop, so I'm not too sure about that, but for rental it would have been fine. These cabinet doors are actually in pretty good shape. A couple of them are off, but not a big deal. The plumbing, he says, is in good shape. I don't know that we need to mess with that. Probably do need some cabinet doors down here, though. And then you've got an eating area here. And then you go into the washer dryer area, sit right in front of your water heater and your AC unit. AC unit seems to be working well. This floor right here is great, Mexican tile. Clean that up, put a layer of polyurethane on it, and I think it would look fantastic. You come over here, and we've got 2 bedrooms on this side, again with the nice hardwood floors in each. And here's your full bath with a sink and a tub area. Again, they started to do some renovations that, you know, probably just need to go away. They have put new windows in a lot of places. There's an older one, but many of the rooms have new windows, like this one. He put this door in here that is access to that bathroom. Good size room. Then we come back to the hallway, go to the other room. This right here used to go into that first master bedroom. This was a hallway, and the house ended right there where you see the wood floor. So this was a hallway that went back to this area. And then you've got a new window here. I say new, it's about 10 years old, but it's in good shape. And then you've got a decent sized closet, and this is a nice big room. It's probably 13 by 11. Then we come back through to the kitchen. Again, nice tile there. You know, a little bit open, but the flow is fine. Pocket door here. Close this off if needed. Then we come into the family room. So this is a new extension to the house as well. This could be a big master bedroom, because you have a bathroom over there, you have closets, and this is a nice big room. So this could be your 4th bedroom with its own bathroom. So you've got 2 ensuite bathrooms potentially. And then here's your garage. It's an oversized 1-car garage, access to the outside there. And then he was putting this wood in, and he'll leave some wood for us if we want to finish it. It's kind of a nice look. There are a couple small leaks. You see one there, and then this would need to be cleaned up on the rafters. New roof would need to be put in. There's obviously the brick to the house. And then we're going to go all the way back out front and go around the backyard, and then we'll be done. So another look from here: dining room, family room or living room, over to the kitchen, potentially master or guest room there, back out. Classic railing that all looks to be in pretty good shape, just needs to be cleaned up. Brick, I mean, I'm seeing almost nothing as far as issues on the brick. Soffits need a lot of love. Roof needs some love. Even has gutters in here, which is a huge win. So you come back here. See if I can get this off. Gate needs to be fixed, but that's not a big deal. Got a lot of wood rot around the doors, so probably just put in a new door there. There's a newer window, older window, but it's functioning. Probably don't even need to mess with it. And then a decent sized backyard with a drain field. Got 2 septic tanks in that little area right over here. So you need some love on the soffits and the fascia. You know, got cracked window panes, but the frames are good. Here's your crawl space. All the septic stuff is here. It's the house next door. Side of the house. And then the backyard.